Welcome to Japanese Class 101. Today, we will learn about different animals that you might see on a farm. In a few moments, different animals would appear on your screen. You will also see and hear the name of those animals in Japanese. Buru, buru. Ushi, ushi. Gachou, gachou. Buta, buta. Hondori, hondori. Koshi, koshi. Shiri, shiri. Niwatori, niwatori. Now it's your turn to try. These same animals will now appear in a random order. Try to name them. Did you succeed? If not, don't hesitate to rewatch this video as many times as you need. Also, if you wish to learn more about Japanese or learn more about other languages, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us and see you next time.